Every Indian consumer has seen the ISI mark on a product or heard about BIS certification. But most people are confused about whether they are the same or different. Sometimes a product shows the ISI mark, sometimes only BIS certification is mentioned, and often both terms are used interchangeably. The reality, however, is that ISI and BIS are related, but they are not identical. In this detailed discussion, we will explore what the ISI mark really means, what BIS certification covers, and how they connect, and the key differences that every consumer and business should know. First of all, let's discuss what is the ISI mark. India's first quality symbol. The ISI mark is one of the oldest and most recognized quality symbols in India. ISI stands for Indian Standards Institution, which was established in 1947, soon after independence. Products carrying the ISI mark indicate compliance with the specific Indian standards, that is IS codes. This mark quickly became the face of consumer trust for products like cement, electrical appliances, LPG cylinders, helmets, toys, and household goods. For example, an ISI marked helmet assures road safety because it has passed rigorous impact test. Over time, the ISI mark grew into a household symbol of quality and safety in India. Now the transition from ISI to BIS, evaluation of standards in India. In 1986, the Indian Standards Institution was recognized into the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) under the BIS Act. The ISI mark, however, did not disappear. Instead, it became a part of BIS broader product certification scheme. Today, the ISI mark is still used, but it is administered and regulated by BIS. This means that while ISI is the visible mark on products, BIS is the authority that controls, tests, and certifies compliance. A simple way to understand this is to think of BIS as the university and the ISI mark as one of its most famous degrees. Now, ISI versus BIS, key differences. It's important to highlight the key differences between ISI and BIS. First, origin. ISI was India's original standards body, 1947 to 1986, while BIS replaced it in 1987. Second, scope. The ISI mark applies to specific products to show compliance with Indian standards, while BIS certification includes multiple schemes such as hallmarking and electronics registration. Third, authority. The ISI mark was once independent, but today it is issued under BIS authority. Fourth, recognition. The ISI mark is a visible product-specific symbol, whereas BIS certification represents the entire system of quality assurance. Finally, mandatory use. ISI mark is compulsory for many critical products like helmets, cement, LPG cylinders, and packaged water, whereas BIS certification applies depending on which scheme a product falls under. Real-life examples in everyday products. The difference between ISI and BIS becomes clearer when we look at daily life. An electric mixer with an ISI mark ensures that it is safe to use and won't overheat. A gold ring cannot have an ISI mark, but BIS hallmarking confirms its purity. A smartphone or laptop doesn't display an ISI mark, but it cannot be sold without BIS registration under CRS. Cement packets show the ISI mark, which is compulsory, but BIS monitors all plants to ensure standardization. Even a simple bottle of packaged drinking water must have the ISI mark for legal sale, proving its safety for consumers. Now, why consumers often get confused? The confusion arises because both ISI and BIS are often spoken of together. Many people assume they are the same thing, when in reality, the ISI mark is just a part of the BIS system. ISI continues to be widely recognized because of its strong brand recall, built over decades. However, BIS has gone beyond the ISI mark, expanding into hallmarking, electronics, and international certifications. The key point to remember is that when you see the ISI mark, it means the product has been certified by BIS under its product certification scheme. Now, benefits of ISI mark and BIS certification. Both ISI and BIS offer huge benefits for consumers and businesses. For consumers, the ISI mark gives quick and easy assurance that the product meets safety and quality requirements, while BIS certification covers other important areas like jewelry purity and electronic safety. For businesses, an ISI mark on products ensures legal compliance and market acceptance in India, while BIS certification overall builds brand reputation, trust, and alignment with global standards. Two sides of the same coin. In conclusion, we can say that ISI and BIS are not competitors, they are two sides of the same coin. The ISI mark is the visible face of product quality, while BIS certification is the powerful system behind it. One is the symbol you see on the product, and the other is the institution ensuring that symbol truly means safety and reliability. Together, they guarantee that Indian consumers can trust the products they buy and businesses can prove their credibility in the markets. So next time you see the ISI mark, remember, it's backed by the strength of BIS, India's guardian of quality and safety. Thanks for watching.